At Gulfood Manufacturing 2025, we are almost ready to meet Christian Romualdi, IMA Ilapak Marketing and Communication Manager, to get some insights relating the packaging solutions that they can supply to the Middle East market. IMA is exhibiting also at the edition 2025 of Gulfood Manufacturing. Christian, what kind of solutions you are showcasing for the Middle East market?
Ciao Sonia, we are here again at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025 as IMA Group, and mainly we are here with our food companies, food division, covering from dairy, coffee, tea, bakery, protein, savory snack, bouillon cubes, and baby and dairy foods. So we cover lots of food industries, and we have on display a couple of solutions. The first one is the IMA ERCA EFS-X, which is a machine that handles pre-made cups, for liquid to pasty products, and the FOLDWRAP 1800 by IMA Benil. And this is a solution for butter and margarine, so it's a molding, filling, and wrapping machine.
And what about IMA FLX HUB?
The IMA FLX HUB is not showing anything this year, but of course we are here with our team of experts, showing through the multimedia and talking with our customer and visitors about our horizontal, vertical solution for primary packaging, feeding, weighing, and counting solution, of course, before the packaging. And of course, we cooperate also with the IMA end of line, so in order to have complete packaging lines from feeding to palletizing.
IMA, we know, covers all the industrial markets and also all over the world in the events. What are the 2026 main events for you?
Of course, will be Interpack. Interpack will be the main show, but we cannot anticipate nothing so far, so I cannot say something more because we are working on it. We will be present also at Freighter Logistica 2026 in February, at CFIA in Rennes in France, and of course after Interpack there will be Index 2026, the show for the non-wovens industry, and we will be there with our top solution for the wet wipes for wrapping.
So for now, have a great Gulfood Manufacturing, and the appointment with Christian Romualdi and IMA will be at Freighter Logistica 2026.
Thank you very much, Sonia.